Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Virgie.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so today is the birthday of Damia. Okay. Damia is in the school.
Yes.
So I'm here to deliver the mini donut for Damia. She have 5 box of mini donut and 3 of it will be study room party. Okay, 3 box. And the 2 is for Damia's house. Okay. And that is from Kim Young Sunim.
Kim Young Sunim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for Damia's party.
Okay, and also Chaji Hunim gives Damia happy birthday 2,000 pesos.
Chaji Hunim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for Damia's birthday.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Damia. Annyeonghaseyo. Kim Young Sunim give you 5 box of mini donut. 3 box is for study room party and 2 box for your family. Kim Young Sunim, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Rosel.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver since Aisara is in the school. Okay, she have 1 box of mini donut. Okay, and that is from Kwadang Nim.
Kwadang Nim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for the mini donut for Isara.
Okay, and Ichanggu Nim gives you 4,000 pesos donation for your medicine. Okay.
Ichanggu Nim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for my medicines.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, you're asking for your repair fee for your shoes, right? Because it was damaged already. So, you will not buy a new one? Dili lang. So, you will just repair. Isa man, like tahion? So, asa yung iba tayo ate sa merkado? Dinala sa skin na. Mga pila ka ito ate. So, you will just ask, okay? Naram, gawin na sa 150? Or I don't know, kaya lang kat ba ito, no? So, I will just attach the picture here that you sent me, okay? So, I will be giving you 500 pesos, okay? It's because this will be your allowance also for 1 week. And this is also for your repair fee ha sa shoes. Una sa imong shoes, and then if dili na galito madala og repair, just inform me and we will buy a new one, okay? But if kaya pa to i-repair, sige, ipa-repair ha, and then ingna ko pila ang nagasto, okay? And imuhang everyday nga balon is 50, right? Kay imuhang 30 pang pliti, back and forth, okay? And then imuha na ng lunch ang 20. Okay, sige. And also for your snacks or namoy amutan or baryon sa school fees, okay? And this is for 1 week, okay? So you must save this one on budget, ha? So here is your 500 pesos.
Ichangganim and Kigamdarini, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, sige. So inform me, okay, if kulang, ha?
Yes, teacher.
Ayaw ka nang kaula mo chat ni teacher, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Fighting.
Bye-bye. Fighting.
Doot ng kaati. Ay, ano kayo mo kuan? Laban, ha?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, sige.
Annyeonghaseyo, Gertrude's mom.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so the 2 teachers are in the school and also Andrea. So you will be the one who will receive the study room. They have 2 box of mini donuts for the study room students, and for Andrea, she have 1 box of mini donut, and that is from Handul Nim.
Handol Nim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for the 2 box of study room and 1 box of Andrea. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Jen.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. I'm here to deliver the mini donut for Rian. Okay, and that is from Anino Nim.
Anino Nim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for Rian's donut.
Okay, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Rian.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so Anino Nim gives you mini donuts. That is from Anino Nim.
Kanino
Aninonim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
감사합니다.
Aninonim, thank you for the donut. 감사합니다.
Hello, Teacher Rika.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the mission dance fee for you and for Jane. Okay, you have 1,000 pesos each. Please receive, and also you have 2 box of mini donut for you and for teacher Jane. Okay, for your practice snacks, and 200 pesos drinks. Okay, that is from Idowo Jinim.
Idowo Jinim, 감사합니다.
Okay, and I'm also here to deliver 1 mini donut for Kisha, and that is from Aninonim.
Aninonim, 감사합니다 for Kisha.
And lastly, Ichangunim gives 1 box of mini donut for Jocelyn.
이창구님, 감사합니다 for Jocelyn.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Eliza and Junlin.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Grace.
Okay, kumusta man ang school?
Okay ra.
Okay ra? Still fighting. Okay, I'm here to relay your delivered choco pie from Kim Sarangnim. Okay, tag 2 pieces mo na inday. From Kim Sarangnim.
Uncle Kim Sarangnim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for the choco pie.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Christine J. O. Daniel. Nexon May T. Ibanez.